So this is a initial phase 1 exploration of an antibody-drug conjugate molecule in the clinic. Started with the traditional dose escalation design, which was for patients with all advanced solid tumors. And then there was pre-planned expansion groups for breast cancer, non-small cell lung cancer, and ovarian cancer. So the data we presented today was from the expansion group for ovarian cancer, specifically platinum-resistant ovarian cancer patients. The data from the dose escalation part was actually presented at ESMO last year in 2015. And once we reached our recommended phase 2 dose, then the planned expansions were undertaken. And so today we presented data for the 27 patients who were in the ovarian cancer expansion arm. The first point I want to highlight is it's a very well-tolerated medicine. It's a novel design, obviously, because it's an antibody-drug conjugate. The antibody is targeting a tyrosine kinase called protein kinase 7 on the surface of cancer cells, and it delivers a very potent microtubule inhibitor called auristatin intracellularly. So auristatin is a very potent chemotherapy drug, which is very hard to administer in its naked form, so to speak, but having bound it to the antibody, it makes it much more favorable in terms of its tolerability profile. We also saw very encouraging activity in this very heavily group of heavily pretreated group of patients. And as we know, that platinum resistance is a very significant problem in ovarian cancer, with not very robust activity seen for subsequent lines of therapy with our traditional chemotherapy drugs. So a 27% response rate is very encouraging in this patient population with a very favorable tolerability profile.